Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meta Business Suite how to join a store. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To join a store in the Meta Business Suite, you typically need to either link or create a Facebook shop or Instagram shop depending on your business needs. So to do it, head over and open up your Meta Business app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then you must have admin access to the business page or account to create or manage a store. If you are trying to join someone else's store, you will need them to invite you as a user with the appropriate permissions. Then to create a store, all you gotta do is simply click on more, and here you'll find option that says Commerce Manager. And once you're inside here, if you don't already have a shop, follow the prompts to create one by adding your products and configuring your store settings. Then if you have it, link your store to Instagram by simply following the on-screen prompts. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.